The reason I'm telling you to stop refreshing your YouTube studio is simply because you're gonna go either mad or you're just simply gonna give up, and that might happen just before you are about to break through, blow up, or however you want to call it. Instead, try these hacks and formulas I'm about to give you right now in this video, so let's dive in. Now, if the video retention is not your issue and you simply are not getting any views whatsoever on your channel, there are two things that you need to think of, and that's your video titles and thumbnails. You might have the best content ever, but it will always be hidden on the YouTube behind your thumbnail and your title. So let's have a look on some formulas you could use for your video titles. Before X, watch this. So for example, before you start your YouTube channel, watch this. Can't X, try Y. So for example, can't get views on the YouTube, try this strategy. X versus Y. For example, if you're doing something with affiliate marketing, you could create video ClickBank versus Digistore24. Stop X to get Y. For example, if you are in a fitness niche, you could create a title something like stop doing cardio to lose weight. How to X without Y. So how to make YouTube videos without showing your face. The ugly truth of X, the ugly truth of YouTube, the ugly truth of a fitness industry. It can be anything. So these formulas of both can be applied to any niche. What X doesn't tell you, what YouTube influencers doesn't tell you, what fitness gurus doesn't tell you. Again, it can be used for any sort of niche. Extra tip for the video titles, try to break down your video titles in two parts. So the first part that is most commonly seen on a mobile app on the YouTube search will be the one that you are trying to promote for your viewers. So it doesn't have to be keyword specific, just something that can grab attention, like stop cardio to lose weight, something that speaks to the people instead of YouTube search engine. And then if you want to add keywords, you can do that on another part of your video title. So that will be more for YouTube algorithm rather your viewers. Next, once you have started your titles, let's move into the thumbnails. And you might have seen on Google that average videos on YouTube are getting 5% click-through rate on the thumbnails. Let me tell you, you need to do better than 5% if you want to break through on YouTube. So what do you need to bear in mind? Tip number one, don't put too much text on your thumbnail. People like to scan through the search results or the YouTube homepage, and the title have to be very easily and quickly readable. Don't use your thumbnails to only repeat your title, so you have given information on a title already, and that might be appealing for some sort of audience. If you at the same time want to grab another audience, you can use another phrases to display on your thumbnails. Use bold capital letter on your thumbnails. Don't use very thin and cursive text, and again it will be hard to scan and read the text on your thumbnail. Regarding the colors, use opposite color schemes. If you are struggling with color combinations, you can type on Google color wheels and you will be able to see and select some colors that look good together and are opposite to each other, so it contrasts your text on the top of your image that you are using on your thumbnail. If you have a personal channel, use your face. Use expression on your face when creating the thumbnail. In my experience, generally the thumbnails with my face, with some funny expressions like this, click-through rate will be a bit higher than if I wouldn't be using my face. Obviously, if you have faceless channel, you can either skip using face whatsoever, or you can also use some stock images, stock photos to still place the face on your thumbnails. It just gives a bit more personalized view about what your video will be. Now the next tip applies also on your titles. Don't overwork it. The same with your thumbnails. Create it, keep it plain and simple, easy to understand. When you put too much visuals on your thumbnail along with a lot of text, it's just too much information. And as I said to you before, people have a short attention span. They want to be able to scan through the search results quickly. The same when they open the YouTube homepage, they want to be able to just look on your thumbnail and instantly know and get intrigued what your video is about. Now let's say you have sorted your titles and your thumbnails, you are getting some views, you are getting subscribers, and you finally have reached the point when you can monetize your channel. Now you have monetized your channel, and then you look on your videos CPM and you want to give up want more. So what to do next? Watch this video and learn how you can increase your videos CPM quickly and easily.